some place, sometime, the moon with distant knelling down to find when my heart will pound to let you know how much it beats for you, to tell you how such lovers are not many. It was exceptionally hard to get through the project, to tell you how constantly makes me bother, how much I love you, be that as it may. Presently, your eyes are my solidarity, reality, and love that lies beneath that beautiful wall is my reality, your place in my life. When my heart takes a jump, I feel you around its every beat, and each pump makes me feel you around. I consider you with each sound. Every piece of this world makes be the mountains, the waterway, or likes. Your touch is the most pure. Your eyes so encouraging. Your place in my life is the highest allure with my being that was missing. I am enamored with you in the event that magnificence had a name. It would be your name in the event that benevolence had a face. It would be your face in the event that affection had a description. It would be your life. If I were to cherish somebody, it would be just you. My heart was broken in so many pieces that I was created once more. It wouldn't beat. You come and your adoration restored my heart. Once more it beats so affectionately. Knew you changed my life. I would manoeuvred in solution with text to no objective in mind till you jumped into my life and God give me an inclination. I know you were my perfect partner right when our eyes meet. You were the most ideal one for me. And on that I could even beat today at least that you, my sweetheart, are a piece of my life. I can't communicate my thoughts and let you know how blissful I am. Each second spent close by is simply so perfect. I need to braggle you and take to with me until the cows come home and extends with you. How might a priority my life since I meet you. I don't actually have the focused idea being miserable and blue. Love and greatness, companionship forever, enchantment embodied. You brought such a great amount into my life and made is it so honorable. You, my dear, interacted me that trust out to never die. Ever since I have felt to remember what it is to sub and carry with my entry extends. I wish to much. Thanks, my dear, losing you. The main thing now that I at any point trade we will continuously be together. You jumped at my entryway of my life and it tried my heart. I feel an infection with you the second I saw you, my heart. You are so gorgeous, impeccable, and wonderful than some other. I vow to adore you everlastingly. We will constantly remain together. Love and learn, love wants around pictures and to show you the craftsmanship you really want to instructor. You will undoubtedly have you high and low. Without the affection won't ever develop a relationship. You work with time cannot be contained in a solitary sonnet that rhymes love and learn you are fair yet I feel your adoration so close.